Welcome to myprojectbazaar.com. Now I am going to discuss about title for this project. Our project title is Identifying Regional Trends in Avatar Customization. Now I am going to explain about abstract for this project. Our project abstract is: over the past 3 decades, a number of face recognition methods have been proposed in the computer vision, and most of them use the holistic face images for the person identification. In many real-world scenarios, especially some unconstrained environment, the human face might be occluded by other objects, and it's difficult to obtain the fully holistic face images for recognition. To address this, we are proposing a new sketched face recognition approaches to recognizing the persons of the interest from their partial face. Given a pair of stretched image and mug shots, we first detecting the LPP texture point and extracting their local textural features. Then we propose of a matching method to discriminative match these to extracting the local features sets where the textural information local features are explicitly used for matching simultaneously. Finally, the similarity of the two faces is covered as the distance between these two aligned features. Experimental results on one chuck face data sets shows the effective of the proposed approach. Now I am going to discuss about flow of diagram for this project. In our project, first step is an image acquisition step. Here we are getting one input image from the dataset folder. A pixel is a rectangular array of values. That is a pixel. Each pixel represents the measurement of some properties of the scene measured over the finite area. The property could be many things, but we usually measure at either the average brightness or a brightness of the image filtering through the red, green, blue filtering. The values are normally represented by an 8-bit integer given a range of 256 level of brightness. In this image acquisition stage, we are using the read an image into a workspace by using imread command. Next one is a pre-processing stage. In the pre-processing stage, first we resizing the input image. After that, noise removal is applied. In computer graphical image scaling is the process of resizing the digital images. Scaling is non-trivial process that involving the trade-off between the efficiency, smoothness and sharpness. The image filtering. The input images were pre-processed. We are applying the Gaussian filter to our input image. The Gaussian filter is often used to removing the noises from the image. Next one is a feature extraction. Here we are using the CNN feature extraction. CNN means convolution neural network. When the input data to be an algorithm is too large to be processed and it is suspected to be noticed redundant data, then the input data will be transformed into reduced the representation set of features. The transforming the input data into the set of features is called feature extraction. That feature providing the characteristics of the input type of the classifier by considering the description of the relevant properties of the images into a feature space. If the feature extracted are carefully chosen, it is expected that they will extracting the relevant information from the input data in order to perform the desired task using this redacted representation instead of the full size input. Next one is a classification. In this classification process, in machine learning support vector machine SVM also we are used. The classification results is finding the person, identifying the person. After that classification, we finding the performance measures. In this process, the accuracy, sensitivity, specificity of the classifier is measured. The accuracy represents the efficiency of the process. The sensitivity shows how the algorithm given the correct classification. The specificity shows how the algorithm rejected the wrong classification. The performance of the process is measured based on the calculation of the accuracy area under the curve of the process. TP, TN, FP, F1 are calculated. TP means true positive, correctly identified. FP means false positive, incorrectly identified. TN means true negative, correctly identified. F1 means false negative, incorrectly rejected for the classifier. So the the accuracy is based on the classifier. I am going to discuss about the output for this project. First, go to the MATLAB and open current folder. Select my.m file and right click the file and click run option to run the project. In this project, we developed a MATLAB R 2017B version. Now I am run the project. This is our dataset folder. Here we select one input image from the dataset. This is our input image, avatar face, and the input images is this is, and pre-processing is done. First step is resized image. Next one is a Gaussian filtered image. Next one is CNN feature extraction. The CNN feature extraction used to extracting the features from the Gaussian filtered image. After the feature extraction, we finding the query image. So the classification query image matching with the person 2. Query images of the matching with the person 2. Performance measures the 96% accuracy, 100% sensitivity, 95% specificity. The graphical representation for the performance measures. Now I am run the main.m file and select second image, another one image. So this is our input image. So the query image matching with the person is 20. Accuracy is 96%. Thank you for listening. Our demo is completed. Thank you.